Right now, there is an historical signal flashing for Bitcoin, and once this signal is getting confirmed, it is indicating that the end of the Bitcoin bear market is here. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I will also go over many other important indicators that are right now flashing on the market, and this will be of course a very important update video. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. I will be going over the most important stuff and of course my trade and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 400? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And really, once we're looking at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, we are once again looking at this consolidation range. As soon as Bitcoin is going to confirm another break above this top side of resistance, I could be confirming and I could be looking towards that continuation towards the upside. Only yesterday we yet again tried to be breaking above this resistance box, and like you can see on the bull flag, we tried to break above it, and at the point we were trying to do so, we got rejected yet again another time. So now I will be closely monitor the bull flag for Bitcoin. As soon as we do break out, then we are expecting of course that continuation towards the upside. But if we get rejected, then we're probably going to be moving lower, and if we break below the lower side of support, that is the point where I will be potentially going with a short position towards levels of 21,000 US dollars. And if we ever hit this level right here, the green box right now, that is exactly the point where I will be adding more margin towards my Bitcoin long position and even open up a new Bitcoin scalp trading position. So that is what I'm currently looking for. Currently, Bitcoin is just still trading sideways, and I'm just waiting to see this breakout happening. Once the breakout happens, you will be the first one to know on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. Of course, on the 1st of February, that is Wednesday, we will be having the FOMC Federal Reserve interest rate hike decision, and that will be probably really move the market. And I am really expecting that till the 1st of February, the markets are not really going to move, because really what is going to move the market is the next Federal Reserve interest rate hike decision. And that is also what I'm waiting for with my trade. Still in the same position, still the market has not really moved from off yesterday, so still waiting to see what is going to happen. And of course, like I told you, I will add more margin towards my trade on $21,000, but still be aware this is a swing trade position, and with the entry I got around $17,000, I could very well have been longing the Bitcoin bear market bottom, and that could make me tons of money. So if you're interested in trading Bitcoin yourself as well, you could do so. If you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can right now claim a 30,000 US dollars deposit bonus. And if you're living in the US, you can check out BitGet, and BitGet allows you to trade from the US without KYC and without VPN. Furthermore, looking then at the 3-day time frame for Bitcoin, we can see another 3-day candle has been closed, and like you can currently see, the 3-day EMA ribbon is coming closer and closer and closer towards that potential crossover. And once this crossover happens, it's going to be extremely good for Bitcoin, because historically speaking, once the 3-day EMA ribbon crosses, it tends to signal the end of the bear market, or it tends to signal a whole new run up for the price action of Bitcoin, just like it did every single previous time around here. So yeah, this signal is about to flash, and once it flash, it's going to confirm something extremely exciting for Bitcoin, because yeah, it's really going to be flashing bullish for the first time in approximately 400 days. So that is going to be very important. I'm expecting that at the end of next week, we could be expecting to see the crossover happening, unless Bitcoin is going to see a big dump here. So that is going to be definitely a very good thing to see. And that could also signal more bullishness in the market, because always once we do cross bullish, that is the point where we tend to see more upside getting generated for Bitcoin. Looking then at the legendary support line for Bitcoin, what is very interesting to see actually is all the bounces we got. The first bounce was an approximately 1,000% bounce here. The second bounce was in the bear market, and that was an approximately 315% bounce here. And then we saw an immense bounce of approximately 1,100% here. So right now, we only bounced. Is this enough? That is going to be the question. Is 50% already in? I don't think so. I mean, if we really have diminishing returns, we should at least get around 100% bounce from off this level. And a 100% bounce from off this level is somewhere around 31,000 US dollars. So still, I think that the steam is not over yet here. I think we're still getting started with this move towards the upside, only just like we had in the previous bear market of 2019. Once we had that big push up towards the upside, we did saw 3 to 4 weeks of sideways consolidation before we moved up further on towards the upside. And right now, actually, I'm expecting the same. I'm expecting that there's going to be more boring consolidation for Bitcoin, And as soon as we do clearly see that movement towards the upside, then we could be expecting a more exponential move as well happening. So still, I think things are looking quite okay on the bigger picture for Bitcoin. Looking then at the monthly RSI, I mean, looking at the monthly RSI, you can clearly see that this is a historical buying opportunity. Currently, the monthly candle will close in 3 days time, and this has arguably been the best monthly candle since approximately October 2021. What is of course the best monthly candle in the last 15 months here. So that is definitely looking very good. We are also bouncing from the monthly RSI downtrend, and basically if you always bought Bitcoin on this RSI downtrend, you basically always did an amazing job here. So let's see if it's going to be right again here. Bitcoin is bouncing from it, and I am personally thinking that this is a good opportunity, because currently as well, if you remove all the drawings, you can see that Bitcoin was arguably on the lowest point on the monthly RSI in history, and that was also indicating that it was a very good buying opportunity. But basically, if you're able to be buying Bitcoin at a more oversold condition than the previous bear markets, it is already quite of a big signal that Bitcoin is a good buying opportunity. And you can see also in the bull markets, we are extremely overbought on the monthly RSI, and that is basically the signal that you are in a bull market. And once you're below the previous low, that is a signal that you're in a bear market. But currently we are starting to see the recovery, and that is definitely a very fun and nice thing to see right now happening. And then let me go in towards this very important signal that right now is about to get confirmed, because in exactly 2 days we will be closing the 15-day candles. And if you're looking at history, where the 15-day candle closes and the MACD crosses bullish, is the point that basically the markets tend to reverse. That is the confirmation of the reversal in the market. So you can currently see this reversal, of course, is already happening, but it will only get confirmed if we close the 15-day candle. But historically speaking, if you're looking at all these buy signals, if you always bought Bitcoin on the buy signal, you did an insanely good job. Maybe not in for sure in the first week, but maybe not in the coming 15 days after that. But in the end of the day, it was always a good historical buying opportunity. Also, it flashed in the 2019 bear market, and after it flashed in the following 15 days, we moved towards the upside with an approximately 74% here. So this is definitely a signal that you should take very seriously. Also, what you can see is that the MACD has been trading bearish for approximately 600 days here. In the previous bear market, it was for an approximately 440 days, and this has been arguably the longest period of course, this bearish MACD trend that we have been trading in. So that is absolutely interesting to see here. Let's see how it is going to be playing out here. We are still in this bearish cross. We've been here for approximately 600 days, and we are about to cross bullish for the first time, and this is definitely an historical signal. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to be staying up to date about all these signals that currently are flashing on the market. But anyways, there are not a lot of new developments happening right now, so we'll try to keep it as short as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.